Welcome to Mr. English Talk, the place where you don't just learn English, you transform your life completely. My mission is not only to help you improve your English speaking, but also to help you grow stronger, think sharper, and become unstoppable in every area of life. Everyone watching this video right now, listen carefully. You are not here by mistake. You are here because somewhere deep inside you know you deserve more. You deserve success. You deserve money. You deserve love, happiness, respect, and everything you dream of. And yes, you can achieve it, because your mind is the most powerful tool you have. No matter how broken you feel today, no matter how many times you have failed, no matter how hard life has hit you, you can rise again. Life will test you. It will push you down. It will make you feel like you are not enough, but the truth is, you are stronger than your problems. Every challenge you face is only preparing you for something bigger. The people you admire today, the ones who are successful, the ones who inspire you, they were once exactly where you are right now. They had nothing. They had doubts. They had fears. But they didn't give up. They kept moving. They kept learning, they kept fighting, and this is where the easiest self-improvement routine begins. The first step is to stop comparing yourself to others. You see, comparison is the thief of joy. The more you look at others, the weaker you feel. The more you measure your life against someone else's, the more you lose control of your own journey. Stop it right now. Look in the mirror and remind yourself, I am my own competition. I don't need to be like anyone else. I just need to be better than who I was yesterday. That's the only competition that matters. But here's something most people don't tell you. If you want to achieve something extraordinary, you must be willing to break the rules. Not the law, not your values, but the rules society has created for you. Society will tell you, get a safe job, don't take risks, stay in your comfort zone, do what everyone else is doing. Your parents may tell you to be practical. Your relatives may tell you it's impossible. Your friends may tell you to stop dreaming big. But listen to me, none of them know your vision. None of them understand your hunger. None of them see what you see inside your mind. That's why you must learn to ignore the noise. Because when you start chasing your dreams, people will laugh, people will doubt you, people will say you are wasting your life. Let them say whatever they want. Their words cannot define your future. And remember this, a snake without poison is just a toy. Nobody fears it, nobody respects it. Don't live your life like a toy that people can play with. Become powerful not by harming anyone, but by strengthening your mind, sharpening your skills, and taking bold decisions. People respect strength, they respect courage, they respect those who have the guts to live life on their own terms. Don't waste your time trying to please everyone. Don't waste your energy worrying about what they think. People will always talk, whether you succeed or fail, but your actions will always be louder than their words. Now listen very carefully. Pain is temporary. Struggle is temporary. Whatever you are going through right now, it will pass. Every storm ends, every night turns into day, every wound heals. The only question is, will you hold on long enough to see the light? Most people give up too soon. They fail once and they quit. They face rejection and they quit. People laugh at them and they quit. But winners are different. Winners use rejection as fuel. Winners use failure as motivation. Winners turn their pain into power. So here's the choice you have. Either you can cry about your problems, or you can work so hard that your problems disappear. Either you can sit and complain, or you can stand and create. Which one will you choose? Because the truth is, life doesn't wait. Opportunities don't wait. Your destiny will not wait. If you keep waiting for the right time, If you keep hesitating, if you keep delaying, you will lose the only chance you have. This is your moment. This is your chance. And this is the easiest self-improvement routine. Focus on yourself. Stop comparing. Break the rules. Build discipline. And keep moving forward every single day without quitting. Because every single day is a test. Life will test your patience. It will test your courage. It will test your consistency. Most people fail not because they are weak, but because they don't stay long enough in the game. They want results in 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. But success doesn't work like that. Success demands time. Success demands sacrifice. Success demands that you keep going even when nothing seems to be changing. Think of a seed. When you plant it, you don't see anything for weeks. But under the soil, something is happening. The seed is breaking, roots are growing, and slowly it prepares to rise. Your life is the same. Just because you don't see results today doesn't mean you are failing. It means your roots are growing, and one day you will rise higher than you ever imagined. And here is the truth most people ignore. Your routine decides your future. If you want to change your life completely, change your daily routine. Wake up early before the world wakes up. Give yourself that quiet time to think, to plan, to work on your dreams. When others are still sleeping, you should already be working. When others are wasting their time, you should be building your future. Win the morning and you will win the day. Win the day and you will win the week. Win enough weeks and you will win your life. But it's not just about waking up early. It's about deep work. Most people are busy, but they are not productive. They scroll through social media. They check their phones every 5 minutes. They try to do 10 things at once, but never master anything. Don't be like them. Focus on one skill. Choose one area. Give it 4 to 5 hours of deep, distraction-free work every single day. Because in today's world, the person who masters one skill will rule the world. And don't forget your body. A weak body cannot carry a strong mind. You don't need to spend 3 hours in the gym. Just 15 minutes of daily exercise, push-ups, squats, running, stretching, will completely change your energy. A strong body gives you confidence. A strong body gives you discipline. A strong body makes you unstoppable. Treat your body as your first home because if you lose your health, nothing else matters. There is another secret successful people know. Move in silence. Stop telling everyone your plans. Stop posting your goals on social media. Stop explaining your dreams to people who don't even believe in themselves. Real winners work in the dark. They grow in secret. They let their results speak for them. And when the time comes, they shock the world. So keep your goals private and let your success make the noise. Most people are trapped because they think like workers. They are trained by schools, parents, and society to find a safe job, to follow orders, to be dependent on others. But you must change your mindset. Stop thinking like a worker. Start thinking like a boss. A worker waits for instructions. A boss creates their own path. A worker follows orders. A boss takes decisions. If you keep thinking small, you will live small. But if you think like a boss, you will build your own empire. And the biggest enemy you must fight is fear. Fear is what stops people from chasing their dreams. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of being laughed at. But remember, fear is only an illusion. It is not real. It is your mind playing tricks on you. The only way to defeat fear is to face it. If you are scared to speak, then start speaking. If you are scared to fail, then start failing forward. If you are scared to be different, then force yourself to stand out. Because once you face fear, it loses its power over you. Nobody is going to push you. Nobody is going to hold your hand. Nobody is going to save you. You must save yourself. You must fight for your dreams. You must take control of your life. Because at the end of the day, the world respects only one thing: results. Not excuses, not complaints, not reasons, only results. And this brings us to the most powerful weapon you have: discipline. Motivation will not always be there. Some days you will wake up tired. Some days you will not feel like working. Some days you will want to take it easy. And that is exactly where most people fail. They wait for motivation. And when motivation disappears, they stop working. But winners know the truth. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is forever. Discipline means doing the work even when you don't feel like it. Discipline means keeping your promises to yourself even when nobody is watching. Discipline means forcing yourself to get up, to study, to practice, to grind, even when you are not in the mood. And when you live with discipline, you become unstoppable. Now think about time. Time is the most valuable thing you have, but most people waste it like it's unlimited. They wake up late, scroll through their phones, gossip about others, complain about life, and before they know it, the day is gone. One wasted day becomes a wasted week. One wasted week becomes a wasted month. One wasted month becomes a wasted year. And suddenly life is gone. Don't let this happen to you. Respect your time. Every second is precious. Every minute is an opportunity. Treat every day like it's your last chance, because one day it really will be. And here's the mindset of champions. They don't run from challenges, they chase them. Most people pray for easy lives. They want comfort, they want safety, they want guarantees. But successful people understand that comfort is the enemy of growth. If it is easy, it will not change you. If it is comfortable, it will not make you strong. So from today, start choosing the hard path. Do the things that scare you. Do the things that seem impossible. Do the things that force you to grow. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, you level up. Every time you face a challenge, you upgrade your life. And don't forget this: average people are invisible. They complain, they blame, they make excuses, and the world ignores them. But the ones who rise, the ones who stand out, the ones who become unforgettable, they are the ones who take responsibility. Winners don't blame their parents, their teachers, their boss, or society. Winners don't cry about what they don't have. Winners look at what they do have and they use it. They create opportunities out of nothing. They turn pain into power, failures into lessons, and setbacks into comebacks. Laziness, my friend, is the biggest enemy of success. Laziness kills dreams faster than failure ever will. You may have talent, you may have intelligence, you may have potential, but if you are lazy, none of it matters. Every time you say, "I'll do it tomorrow," you are pushing your dreams further away. Every time you say, "I don't feel like it today," you are betraying your future self. The key is not to feel like working. The key is to work whether you feel like it or not. Discipline is forcing yourself to get up, even when your body screams no. Discipline is saying, "I will do it now," instead of waiting for tomorrow. Because success does not wait for lazy people, and yes, failure will come. You will fail again and again. You will fall, you will make mistakes, you will face rejection, and that's okay. Failure is not the end. Failure is only feedback. Every failure is a lesson. Every mistake is a teacher. Every rejection is a redirection. The only true failure is giving up. If you keep going, if you keep learning, if you keep fighting, no failure can stop you. Remember, every champion was once a beginner. Every expert was once a student. Every winner was once a loser who refused to quit. So remember, this easiest self-improvement routine is not about magic tricks or overnight success. It's about small, powerful choices you make every single day. Stop comparing yourself to others. Break the rules of society and follow your own path. Train your body, sharpen your mind, and protect your time. Work in silence, master one skill, and let your results speak louder than words. Face your fears, embrace your failures, and use them as fuel to rise higher. And above all, live with discipline, because discipline will take you to places that motivation never can. You have only one life, one chance, one opportunity to create the future you dream of. Don't waste it. Don't delay it. Don't let fear or laziness steal it from you. Stand up today and take control. Because the truth is simple. If you don't fight for your dreams, nobody else will. This is your time, this is your moment, and this is your life. Go and live it the way you were born to live. Powerful, fearless, and unstoppable.